a bike ride. He rode around the block. Then he met some girls he knew from school. They all rode to the field to play. John had a great time playing games with his friends. Question, answer. John went for a car, bike. He rode around the block, circle, block. Number 3. Then he met some girls. Number 4 question. They all rode to the park, field. John had a great time playing games with his friends.